How to talk to kids about sensory processing. Have you ever wondered how to explain sensory processing to children? It can be a challenge, especially for kids with autism spectrum disorder. Sensory processing is how our brain takes in information from the world around us. This includes what we see, hear, touch, taste, smell, and even how we feel movement and balance. It is important to help children understand that everyone experiences sensory information differently, and that is perfectly okay. When talking to kids, use simple language that matches their age. For example, you might say, "Sometimes, your brain might notice sounds or lights more than other people's brains do. This can make you feel uncomfortable or upset." You can also explain that sometimes they might not notice things that others do, and that is because their brain works in its own special way. Introduce the ideas of hypersensitivity and hyposensitivity in a way that is easy to grasp. Hypersensitivity means being extra sensitive to things like loud noises or bright lights. These sensations can feel overwhelming or even painful. On the other hand, hyposensitivity means not noticing some sensations as much. This could be not feeling hunger or pain clearly or wanting to touch or move a lot to feel more. Encourage kids to talk about their own experiences with different sensations. Ask questions like, "Are there sounds or clothes that bother you? What do you like to touch or do when you want to feel better?" This opens up a conversation and helps them express their feelings. Use examples from their daily life to make it relatable. For instance, you could say, "If the lights in the classroom feel too bright and make you uncomfortable, it is okay to tell a grown-up so we can find ways to help." Discuss strategies that can help manage sensory experiences. Suggest taking breaks in quiet spaces, using noise-canceling headphones, or wearing comfortable clothes. Holding a favorite textured toy can also be calming. Reassure the child that sensory differences are a part of who they are. Understanding these feelings helps everyone find ways to make things easier and more comfortable. From the perspective of autism spectrum disorder, it is essential to recognize that sensory processing differences are common. These differences can affect how a child interacts with their environment and others. Talking about sensory processing openly helps build resilience. It validates the child's experiences and provides tools to navigate sensory challenges in everyday life. This approach supports family understanding and encourages supportive responses to sensory needs.